Today we are going to make our everyday pizza sauce. This is a sauce that you can use for pizza, whether it's a pizza casserole or it's a hand tossed. This is a quick and easy sauce for you.
These would also be a good dipping sauce for breadsticks or garlic knots or anything like that, but it is a quick and easy sauce that you can make in just a matter of minutes.
And it all starts with a can of, well, tomato sauce.
And then some garlic.
Yep. You can be fancy if you want and break up and crush your own, but we're using garlic. And
Some
then,
Italian seasoning.
Yep. Get some basil in there. Get some garlic powder. And some onion powder. And then you're just gonna mix it all together and just let it simmer on the stove until it's thoroughly hot and the consistency you want. That's all there is to an everyday pizza sauce. So let us know in the comments if you've made this or if you plan on making it, and then watch this next video for another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.